Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter, Mini DP 1.2, HBR2, video adapter connects a VGA display or projector supporting 1920 by 1210 at 60 Hz. EDID DDC pass-through ensures compatibility between source display, VESA DisplayPort certified. Host compatibility. Active digital to analog converter supports MDP source including Thunderbolt 1.2 MacBooks, MacBook Air Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro 1-6, desktops, AMD FirePro, NVidia Quadro, laptops, Mini ITX computers, Intel NUC docks. Increase productivity. Connect a VGA monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using this MDP to VGA adapter dongle. Compact design makes it ideal for travel to from office, home, 5-13 cm cable. Screw locking VGA. Mini DisplayPort to VGA display adapter supports VGA screw locking cable to prevent cable from coming loose or accidental disconnection from VGA displays and projectors, tested with VGA cables up to 25. Easy to use. With no software or drivers required, the Mini DP to VGA converter, male to female, works with any OS including Windows, Ubuntu and Mac OS. Compatible with Mini DP devices like Microsoft Surface PCs or TB1, TB2 MacBooks. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for an external monitor cable to my MacBook Pro. I connected this and it worked great. I ordered it because the one I was previously using caused a white line to appear across my external monitor and MacBook screens. Plus, whenever I moved the laptop even just a bit, the external monitor display disappeared until I jiggled the cable and went through other gyrations to bring it back. Maybe it was a loose wire? IDK. This one is obviously better quality. No white line and no problems if I reposition my computer.